Chapter 5. The Skeletal and Muscular System. Our body is a machine. It works with the cells which are like the small units of a machine. Hence, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. There are trillions of cells present in a human body. These cells work together to form a tissue. Tissues of the same kind work together to form an organ. Many organs carry out a function together, forming an organ system. Our body consists of many organ systems which carry out different tasks in our body. Some of them are circulatory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, and skeletal system. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about the human skeletal and muscular system. The skeletal system. The skeletal system or skeleton is the rigid framework of bones that gives support and shape to our body. It also performs many important functions in our body, including giving protection to our internal organs, movement of the body, etc. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. The bones are built of calcium and phosphorus. In a human body, different shapes and sizes of bones are found. Bones carry blood vessels and nerves. They are very hard structures from outside, but they are soft and spongy from inside and remain filled with bone marrow. Bone marrow is soft and fatty substance. It produces new blood cells and also stores fat. The skeletal system is made up of the skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs. Fact 5. A baby has 300 bones, but as he grows up, some bones fuse together. The bones make up approximately 14% of the total weight of our body. Skull. The skull is a frame made up of the bones of the head. Brain, the most important part of our body, is protected by this bony framework. The skull is made up of 22 bones, out of which 8 bones makes up the cranium or brain case, protective covering around the brain, and the rest 14 are the facial bones. The facial bones together make the upper jaw and the lower jaw and give shape to the face. All bones in the skull are fixed except the lower jaw. It is because of this movement of the jaw that we are able to eat and talk. The lower jaw also contains teeth which help in cutting and chewing of food. Rib cage. The ribs are thin, flat bones that curve around the chest. These bones together form a protective covering like a cage around the major organs of the body, heart and lungs. This covering is called the rib cage. Rib cage also protects the kidney, liver, spleen and stomach. There are 12 pairs of ribs altogether in a human body. There is a long bone in the center of the chest called the breastbone or the sternum. All the ribs are held in their position by the sternum in the front and the backbone at the back. However, the last 2 pairs of ribs are only attached to the backbone and not to the sternum. Hence, they are called the floating ribs, and not because they keep floating from one place to another in our body. Backbone. The backbone or spine is made up of small bones called vertebrae. Hence, it is also called the vertebral column. These vertebrae are 33 in number and are irregularly shaped in the human body. The vertebral column protects the spinal cord. It also helps the body to maintain its balance. The backbone, along with the help of muscles and ligaments, helps in the movement, bend and turn of a person. Fact 5. Human beings and animals such as tiger, cow, lion and dog that have a backbone, vertebral column are called vertebrates. Animals such as earthworm, snail, cockroach and butterfly that do not have a skeletal system and backbone are called invertebrates. Limbs. There are two pairs of limbs, forelimbs, present in the human body. The first pair is the forelimbs or arms and the other is the hind limbs or the legs. The upper part of the forelimbs, hands, is made up of a single bone known as humerus, while the lower part of the arm is made up of two bones, radius and ulna. Many small bones together make up the wrists and hands. The hind limbs are made up of three bones. The thigh bone, also known as femur, is the longest and strongest bone in our body as it has to bear the weight of the whole body. It forms the upper part of the hind limbs. The lower part of the leg is formed of two bones, tibia and fibula. Ankle and toes are made of many small bones. Functions of the skeletal system. The major functions of the skeletal system are: it holds the body like the trunk of a tree. It provides the framework for the body, thus giving it shape and support. It protects most of our organs which can get damaged due to injury by providing framework around them. For example, skull protects the brain, rib cage protects the heart, lungs and liver, and the backbone protects the spinal cord. Bones with the help of muscles provide movement to the body. There is a cavity inside the long bones which remains filled with bone marrow that produces blood cells. Our bones store minerals like calcium inside them. Whenever we don't get enough calcium from our diet, our body uses the stored calcium of the bones. Joints. Joints are the places where two bones connect with each other and allow their movement in most of the cases. The bones are held together at joints with the help of a connective tissue called the ligament. There are about 100 joints present in our body. There are two major types of joints found in our body: movable joints and immovable joints. Movable joints. Movable joints allow free movement. There are four major types of movable joints present in our body: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Hinge joint. This type of joint works like the hinges of a door. It allows movement only in back and forth direction, hence allowing the body parts to bend and straighten. This joint is found in elbows, knees, toes, ankles and between the fingers. Ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, one of the bone has a rounded head like a ball and the other has a cavity like a cup socket in which the ball gets fitted into, allowing movement in all the directions, circular movement. Shoulder and hip joints are the examples of this joint. Pivot joint. This type of joint allows rotation of body parts. An example of this joint is the joint found between neck and the head. It allows us to move our head up, down and sideways. Fact 5. Shoulder joint is the most flexible joint in the entire body. Gliding joint. This joint allows the bones to move against each other in a sliding motion. The joint is found in the bones of wrists and ankles and the vertebrae of the backbone. This joint allows bones to twist, turn, and bend. Immovable joints. Immovable joints do not allow any movement between the bones. Such joints are present in our skull. The muscular system. Bones alone are not able to make our body move. They require cartilage and muscles to help them in the movement of the body. Cartilage is a tough, elastic, fibrous tissue found in the joints, outer ear, etc. It helps to bind the bones together at the place where they join. In the absence of cartilage, bones will rub against each other and wear out, a symptom of reduced quality or strength. It acts as a cushion. A muscle is a body tissue made up of a bundle of cells that contract to produce movement. There are about 650 muscles present in our body. Tendons are strong tissues that join muscles to the bones. Fact 5. We need 200 muscles to take just one step. The smallest muscle is stapedius, which is present in the middle ear. Sartorius is the longest muscle that is present in the thigh. Types of muscles. There are 3 types of muscles present in our body. Voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles or skeletal muscles are connected at either one end or both ends to a bone and hence help in moving parts of the skeleton. These are the only voluntary muscles, means their actions are under our control. These muscles have stripes present on them. Hence, they are also called striped or striated muscles. For example, activities like moving of our legs while playing or reading and writing involve the action of voluntary muscles. Involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are those muscles which contract without our will, automatically, or whose actions are not under our control. They are known as smooth muscles or unstriated muscles, as they do not have any bands present on them. These muscles are found in the parts of digestive system, stomach, food pipe, and intestine. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are present in the heart, acting automatically by contracting regularly and making our heart beat. They are involuntary in function. Thus, our heart beats automatically throughout our life without getting tired. Things to remember. Our body consists of many organ systems which carry out different life functions. The skeletal system helps in the movement and gives protection to our internal organs. The skeletal system is made up of skull, backbone, rib cage, and limbs. The skeletal system works with the help of muscles and cartilage. There are 2 major types of joints found in our body: movable joints and immovable joints. There are 4 kinds of movable joints in our body: hinge joint, ball and socket joint, pivot joint, and gliding joint. Muscles are of 3 types: voluntary, involuntary, and cardiac muscles.